Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Physics, BS Maths, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. This is your topic in Integral Calculus. This is volume. So there are two ways to solve the volume. We can solve by circular or ring method. Second will be cylindrical shell method. It depends on the question of the problem. So I have here the region bounded by x squared equals 4y and y equals 1 half x about the x-axis. So meaning this will be revolved at x-axis. Find the volume of the solid. So first thing to do is I need to plot the equation, which is x squared is equals to 4y. So solving for y equals x squared over 4. Okay? So I will tabulate x and y. So when x equals 0, so of course y will be 0. Because 0 squared divided by 4, that will be 0. Then what if x equals 1? So this will be y equals 1 squared over 4. So this will be 1 over 4. So this is 1 over 4. How about if x equals to 2? Y is equals to 2 squared over 4. So this will be 4 over 4. So this will be 1. Okay? So how about the other equation? So this will be y equals 1 half x. So this will be x and y. Okay, when x equals 0, this will be 0. When x equals 1, so 1 over 2. So y is equals to 1 over 2x. So meaning this will be 1 over 2 times 1. So this will be 1 over 2. So this is 1 over 2. When x equals to 2, so y is equals to 1 over 2 times 2. So what is 1 times 1? That will be 2 over 2. So y equals 1. So I have now y equals to 1. Okay? So I will plot the points in the Cartesian coordinates. So take note, this is x-axis. So I will use circular or ring method. The formula is volume is equals to pi integral from a to b. Then if there are 2, so just write 1 y sub 1 squared minus y sub 2 squared, and then this will be dx. Okay? Okay, so I will plot first the points in the Cartesian coordinates. So this will be y, and then this will be x. So 0, then 1, then this is also 1, then this is also 2, then this is also 2. So 0 is in here, 1 and 1/4. So this will be 1 half. So in here, 1/4. And then 2, then 1. X is 2, then 1. This is 1, 2. Then I have this one. So in here, okay, this is a curve. Then how about this is a line, right? So 0, 0 starting here. Then 1 and 1 half. 1 and then 1 half in here. Half of 1. Then 2, 1. So in here. So this will be a straight line. So this will be, okay, so this will be the region. So this is the region. So take note, this will be my y1. y1 will be equal to 1/2 x. Then this will be my y2. Because top over bottom, this will be y2 is equals to, sorry, this will be x squared over 4. This will be x squared over 4. Okay? X squared over 4. So point of intersection is at 1 and 2 and 1. So this will be 2 and 1. So since this is x, starting from 0, so there is 2, 0, 0, and then 2 and 1. So from here, I can do this one as from 0 to 2. Okay? From 0 to 2. Okay, I will erase this portion. Then I will have my solution. So I have now volume is equals to pi integral from 0 to 2. 0 to 2, then this will be y1 squared, square brackets, minus y sub 2 squared, then this will be dx. Y sub 1 is my line. So this will be pi integral from 0 to 2 square brackets. y1 is 1/2 x squared, then minus this one is y squared over 4 squared, then this will be dx. Okay, so this will be pi integral from 0 to 2. So 1 squared, that will be 1. 2 squared is 4. Then this will be x squared. Then this will be minus. This will be x to the 4th. Then this will be over 16. Then dx. So I can integrate individually. So this will be pi over 4 because this is constant. Then integral from 0 to 2. Then I have x squared dx. Then minus pi constant will be placed outside of the integration symbol. So this will be pi over 16. Then integral from 0 to 2. Then I have x to the 4th dx. Okay? Then I will integrate. So this will be pi over 4 square brackets, n plus 1, that will be 2 plus 1, that will be x cubed over 3. Then limits from 0 to 2. Then minus pi over 16. Then integrate x to the 4th, x5 over 5, right? So square brackets x5 over 5. Then limits from 0 to 2. Then this will be pi over 4. Okay, I will place outside of the integrand. This will be, because this is constant, so this will be 12. So I have now x cubed. Then limits from 0 to 2. In here is 16. Multiply also 16 times 5, that is 80. 30 carry 3. 5, 80. So this will be pi over 80. Then this will be circle brackets x5 limits from 0 to 2. So this will be pi over 12 square brackets. This will be upper limit minus lower limit, 2 cube minus 0 cube. Then minus pi over 80. Then this will be 2 to the 5th minus 0 to the 5th. Okay, this is different, right? Pi over 12. What is 2 to the 3 is 8. 8 minus 0. Then minus pi over 80. Then this will be 32 minus 0. So this will be pi over 12. This will be 8. Then minus pi over 80 times 32. Okay, so allow me to erase this portion. So this will be equal, so pi over 12, I will write first in here, then 8, then minus pi over 80, then 32. Okay, so this will be divide by 4, this is 3, divide by 4, that is 2. So I have now 2 pi over 3, then minus. This one divide by 16, this is 2. Divide by 16, this is 5. So I have now 2 pi over 5. So LCD will be 15. 15 divided by 3, that is 5 times 2 pi, that will be 10 pi. Minus 15 divided by 5, that is 3 times 2 pi, that will be 6 pi. So this will be equal to 10 pi minus 6 pi, that will be 4 pi. 4 pi over 15. So my final answer will be volume is equals to 4 over 15 pi. So this is, unit will be cubic units because there is no units, right? So my final answer will be 4 over 15 pi cubic units. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to my discussion about volume using circular or ring method, just leave it your comment or comments in the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz TV. Thanks for watching.